Welcome! If you're looking to stay updated with the latest trends and ideas on Pinterest, turning on email notifications for searches you might like is a great way to make sure you never miss out. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable these notifications right from your Pinterest app, so you can get personalized content delivered straight to your inbox. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once the app is open, head over to your profile by tapping on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal Pinterest space, where all your boards and pins are organized. Next, look towards the top of your profile page and tap on your profile picture again. This will open up your account settings, giving you access to a range of customization options. Now scroll down until you find the notification section. Tap on notification to see all the different ways Pinterest can keep you updated. Here, you'll notice several categories, but for this tutorial, focus on the section labeled Boards and Searches. Under Boards and Searches, you'll see an option called Searches You Might Like. Tap on this to open up the notification preferences specifically for search recommendations. You're almost done. On this screen, you'll see different ways Pinterest can notify you about searches you might be interested in. Look for the email option and toggle it on. This means Pinterest will now send you email notifications whenever there are new searches or trends that match your interests. And that's it! You've successfully set up email notifications for searches you might like on Pinterest. Now, you'll always be in the loop with fresh ideas and inspiration tailored just for you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks for making the most out of your Pinterest experience. Thanks for watching and happy pinning!